So why do I think that you should start a real estate Facebook group? In this video, I want to share with you why you need one and how you can make it successful. You need a Facebook group because they are a fantastic way to start building community and a following. They're also great at generating leads and helping you build relationships. To get started, it must have a catchy name, a catchy description, and a fun, catchy profile and cover photo. Have an introduction video waiting for them that says why you decided to create this page and then what they can expect. Then the fun starts. Start inviting those who you would like to join. So you have your page set up. Now, how do you make it a successful Facebook group? Decide what you want the focus of your group to be, then start posting relevant and valuable content. Post on a regular basis. This means probably at least 1 to 2 times per week, and be sure to post videos and graphics, which are going to be more engaging. Also, don't forget, consumers like giveaways and events, and they are always big hits for engagement. Invite fellow influencers or experts in a particular field or the community so they can share content on your group. And finally, be responsive to all questions and comments coming from your group members. What I love most about a Facebook group is that it creates this sense of community and it offers value for the consumer, compared to the business page, which is typically all about marketing and selling. So create your group and start building your community today.